So this is my updated retropie arcade. As you can see, I changed the monitor. I'm using my my touchscreen. It has hinges and the cable is very hidden. It's a lot lighter than this one. This is printed in 2 pieces, and I also got rid of the Raspberry Pi Zero, and I put the Raspberry Pi 3, and it has Wi-Fi, and I also added the speaker and a sound card. Oh, and the sound, actually never mind, the this whatever arcade thingy comes with a speaker output. So as you can see, the cable goes into this image cable. I wanted to use this $20 screen that I bought on eBay, but I couldn't figure out a way to get this really big and clumsy cable. So I just went with the one I already had. This is I think it's $100 and something. And as you can see, it has hinges. It has the power cables plugged in, and I have the I have a power switch and a speaker. I have a power switch and Power Boost 1000, and then I have I think it's like a 5000 lithium battery. So anyways, I already programmed the buttons so you can play Super Nintendo games. I like Nintendo games. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. The only thing I kind of started not liking about this is that it has, these buttons are a little bit hard on your fingers. So if you play a lot, then actually not even a lot, just a little bit, they're kind of hard to press. So that's Contra, and then I set it up so my my special button, I forget what it's called, action button, is when you click the thing down, and another button. So you see, that's how you quit a game. Super Mario Bros. The only one I haven't figured out how to play is the Nintendo 64 games. Ah, damn. Well, I haven't played. It's kind of hard to play in the angle I'm playing. But you guys get the gist of it. And you want to quit. Same thing. So that's it. That's my new update.